Here is how you make a bacon and egg pie. Step 1, grab a stick of butter, pretend it's a stick of sunscreen and coat the entire inside of the baking tray. Any spots that you miss are going to get burnt. Then find yourself some sheets of puff pastry, stretch them out a little bit, line the tin. Next we're going to heat up our fry pan and get some of this bacon pre-cooked. I bet that smells amazing. Next we're going to crack about 6 eggs into the tray. Whisk those up a bit, not too much, you want it to have some texture. Now let's add in a nice layer of bacon on top of the egg. Try not to get it too mixed up. Doesn't that look good? Now we're going to go ahead, crack 6 more eggs on top of that. It's pretty hard with one hand. Go ahead and mix it up a little bit too. It's important that you don't mix it up too much. We're not trying to make scrambled eggs. We want it to kind of have this texture to it. Let's put the rest of our bacon on the top carefully there. I also like to go ahead and add a little bit of salt and pepper. If you have some nice strong cheddar, it helps to grate a little bit of that on as well. Doesn't that look amazing? Stretch out the last sheet of pastry and put it over the top there. Look at that. Alrighty, into the oven. Cranking at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. That's just under 200 degrees Celsius for you New Zealand folks. Just like that, we've made a beautiful New Zealand bacon and egg pie. Look on the inside there. Fantastic.